Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable daily post emails in X. If you want to stay updated with the latest posts and stories from your favorite accounts, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional settings options. Step 4. Inside the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings menu. Step 5. In the settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This option allows you to manage your notification preferences. Step 6. Within the Notifications menu, tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification settings. Step 7. Look for the section labeled Email Notifications and tap on it. Step 8. From the available options, select Top Posts and Stories and tap on Daily. This will enable daily emails with the top posts and stories from your favorite accounts. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled daily posts emails in X. Now, you'll receive regular updates right in your inbox, keeping you informed and engaged with the content that matters to you. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a curated and personalized experience with daily posts, emails enabled in X.